this one goes down.
With their money.
Yeah,
You know?
true. Seats are nice.
Yeah, they're pretty comfortable too. Oh, easy.
Feel the handling. Well, I don't want to hit any of the bumps.
Yeah, slow down.
Why would I do that?
It is right now. I mean, I get a little more. I could cruise with it on the in the spring and
it's
summer.
Perfect, yeah.
You know,
Drives
and I think it's not a big task to get the deck lid done, so it doesn't look like crap in the back.
Right.
And that's really the only thing besides the roof.
Yeah.
That's a lot of leaves, buddy.
Oh, that is.
I guess nobody rakes anymore, man. Just freaking rake
No.
it. He got the high performance pump, man.
Right. Oh, so that's why.
No, that's what
it circulates.
The volume and pressure.
Yeah.
Same as my Cadillac. But I know this guy got it from them too. But the thing is, with these, it's limited. There's one guy that makes it.
Yeah, literally for the Buick.
But my guy that I got, he was like he always had the best pump. That's the pump I got.
Right.
I actually had to lower the pressure. It was too high.
They're just 308s back there?
Yeah, I think they're 308s. He said it was 323s,
yeah,
but it wasn't.
It's a nothing.
And what's
rear.
there? We had 331s? The one we bought.
Yeah, I think you're right. It is 331s. Honestly, that's a perfect rear you got, too.
This is a
Very
nothing
impressive.
rear.
This is nothing. What you got is amazing.
GTO, this thing. It could be, but it's useless. Because this car should have gotten the corporate rear, which was better than what I have in both the Posi and this.
Yeah.
So my assumption is someone took it out thinking, but to be honest with you, nowadays that's a desirable rear. Because unless you get a 12-volt, that rear is heavy duty.
Yeah.
And he got rid of it.
Exactly.
Either that or the brother took it.
Yeah.
But this thing looks like it's been here forever.
It does, yeah. Unless it was just a fire.
That's right, we got everything to work too. All the blinkers work.
Everything is pretty good. I gotta put back that weather stripping. You don't want to be like me and have to buy a new one.
Oh, why? I thought it was always like that.
What, the thing?
It came off?
Oh, this thing is down. See how it has to be like this?
Oh, I thought it was like that though. It broke, I guess.
Yeah, it must have fell.
I thought they burned up.
No, yeah, these are good in the front. Yeah, front is fire.
I thought they burned up, but I guess not. Unless something's wrong with the pool.
Oh, wow, yeah, it could be.
there's still sand in here.
Yeah.
So when I take it all out, I gotta clean it.
Yeah, it's not bad now.
Well, I lowered it though.
Yeah, true.
It's still high.
What you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?